Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, I want to say welcome, and my other subscribers, thank you guys. So today we are going to be baking. Yes, baking, guys. And these are all my ingredients. And guys, we're gonna be making banana bread, okay? So I have my banana there, ripe banana. In case you have this type of bananas, don't throw them away. Overripe bananas, you make use of them, and that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing, guys. So let's start with the banana, all peeled up, and I'm just gonna put in a bowl. I am using the potato masher, so it's okay. But yeah, whichever is comfortable for you guys, because as long as it all does the same process, the same work, okay, guys? So it's all cool for me. So just stay tuned. Alright, guys, so this is what your banana should be looking like. So guys, for this part, we're just going to add all the wet ingredients to the dry ingredient and then stir it together. But I'll be adding my vanilla extract before doing that. guys, is a walnut banana bread. And if you watch up to this part, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you guys.